Hydrowave power washing and restoration. Here's a porch we just finished up, porch roof. It is in 8-inch sauna tubes that go down in the ground and are belled out, anchored to 6x6 posts. We got a sistered up 2x8 beam that runs the whole way across for the span because of these trees. Still got to put a second coat of stain on the beam. We got hurricane ties here. We used 8-inch furring strips and stained them before we put them up. I know it's really hard to see. Back here we used rafter hangers. We had to put a new header board back there because it was all rotted. There was fascia over it and there was a gap in between it and it got behind and rotted it all out. We extended our J up there. Go up top here and check it out. Mini rake on the sides. Hey Bubba, what are you up to? Bubba came to work today. Got the ends boxed out. We also got foam underneath the corrugation, so no bugs or birds or bees or anything gets up in there. We had to take the gutter off to get our end wall back up in there, but that came together real nice. Okay. We got our end wall up under our J. And everything silicone where water might get in. Came out pretty good. For all your wash and restoration needs and now building needs. Hydrowave Power Washing and Restoration, 570-600-8234. You have a wonderful day.